Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Today I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your Redmi 10 and Redmi 10 Prime. Firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. If you want to install a dual WhatsApp or a clone WhatsApp in your Redmi 10 and 10 Prime, you can do it by the way as I am showing in this video. Just follow the steps and watch the complete video for a dual WhatsApp or a clone WhatsApp in your device.